Hello students, this is Mr. Smith and I'm going to be sharing with you the doubles strategy for when we are looking at math facts. This is another video in our math facts strategies series, and so you can see here there are a few examples of some doubles facts, and I'm hoping that you're seeing a pattern in each of these. If you don't see it yet, I'm going to point it out now. That doubles facts have 2's in them, and essentially a doubles fact is any number times 2. Something else I want you to understand and realize, if you don't already, is that an inverse fact is simply the same fact with the factors switched around. In other words, you see the 4 is here first in this fact and the 2 comes second. Well, in this one the 2 comes first and the 4 is second. The answers to these two math facts is going to be the same. So whatever 4 times 2 is going to be the same as 2 times 4. So how do we figure these out? Well, essentially, one way to figure out a doubles fact is to add the factor that is not 2 to itself. Okay, well, in this one, this is not 2, isn't it? And so since that's not 2, what I could do is just take 6 plus 6, and I know from my math facts for addition that 6 plus 6 is 12. So 6 times 2 happens to be 12. And same thing here with 9. I could just simply take 9 plus 9, and again from my math facts I would get 18 from my addition math facts, that is. So 18 is 9 times 2. So looking up this one, 5 times 2. Well, one way to figure out a doubles fact is to add the factor that is not 2 to itself. So 5 is not the 2 and 8 is not the 2, of course. So I could do 5 plus 5, and we know 5 plus 5 is 10. And the same thing here for the inverse fact. They're going to equal the same thing. And then 2 times 8. Well, you could do 8 plus 8, couldn't you? So 8 plus 8 is 16. So 8 times 2 and 2 times 8 is 16. And this will be our last set of one of the facts to do. And so we have 3 times 2. Well, that's the same as what? 3 times 2 is the same as 3 plus 3, isn't it? And 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 3 times 2 is 6, which means 2 times 3 is 6. I could take my number that's not 2 and add it to itself, so 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, and of course that equals 20. So if 2 times 10 equals 20, 10 times 2 equals 20. This concludes this video tutorial on how to figure out your doubles facts. There are other strategies as well for you to use with doubles, and maybe you'll come up with some effective ones on your own, and that's great. The more strategies that you know and can figure out for yourself, the better. So if this strategy works for you for doubles, use it. If you have something else that works better in your mind, then definitely use that. Like I said, this concludes this video tutorial. Good luck with your work.